What's up, guys? We're back and we have another video made up. Just gonna wait for you here. It's gonna be like a 5-minute video. So yeah, we are reviewing. I've actually got the box. Where's the box? Sorry guys. I thought I had the box. No guys, we had the box. Anyway, don't have the box right now, but it's probably in the trash can. Like in the real trash can. But anyway, yeah. So, first off, what I want to show you is the only thing you want to see. The minifigures. So, yeah. I'm going to keep weapons in their hands. They need them to fight. There's one bad guy. 2 good guys. So, we got this one. It's got, like, a pretty cool hat. Then we got the printed face under it. And it does not have an alternate face. And crap. And if you look at the back, it's printed. Look at that. If you look at the back, it's printed. And I actually love the pink part on this thing. I absolutely love it. Good job, Lego. It's a Ninjago set, guys. Okay, next we got, so we got that one done. Next, we're gonna show you this one. After I show you this character, you know what the set is. So we got this one. There's 3 characters, so we got this one. And he actually has an alternate face. He's got this face. And then you got the printed part on the front, printed pants, and the printed back. And we got some nice swords. Don't think I've ever seen those swords. But next we have pretty cool character, gotta say. So, this character, see, you got the wobbly thing on the weapon, and then you got the swords. See? And now, when you pick it up, well, as you can see, the back is like, just pull up the swords. You can see the back, guys. So, yeah. Next.
Snake's gone.
Yay.
What are you doing?
In the video. Okay, guys. Next. See, just look at this. It's got the pants, and we got nice swords. And that's all for that one. And we got what I think is pretty cool. Oh yeah, this bad person. Bad person. This is Naya, I think. And this is Loin. Anyway, yeah. So we got this pretty cool bike that goes with the bad guy. Get this. I love purple. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You got the pretty nice red swords. Pretty cool. And we got the serious business. So, oh crap, we got serious business right here. Driving in. It's got this awesome. Yeah, it's this awesome. So yeah, this is the only reason I made the video right here. So yeah, see, you got your awesome stud shooters. One on both sides. You got your nice and awesome cockpit. We'll open it for you guys. Look at that nice cockpit. So yeah, and then if you press this awesome button, the stud shooters, well at least one of them, come up. Ooh. I do not know how that keeps happening, guys. Probably because I've been playing with it. Running over minifigures. But yeah, next, you got your awesome. And you got your swords. And yeah, so next, your giant ones. Got your motor. There. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. Oh yeah, dragon stickers. How did I think of that? So yeah. That is all, guys. So yeah. See you in the next video where we are going to be reviewing a Star Wars set. So yeah. Bye guys. Seriously, bye. Forever.